Hi everybody, Dr. Kerry Yerke here. Thank you for joining me today for this video and podcast on blogging. And I just finished writing my blog and I wrote it about wanting to read books this year. And I'm going to show you my blog, talk about my goal of reading one book every 2 weeks. So this year my goal is to read one book every 2 weeks. And I'm pretty excited about it. I've already read one book. I'm on my second book right now. The first one was a book on blogging, actually, because I want to improve my blogging skills. The second book that I've been reading now, it's actually an audio book, and I'm writing notes in a journal that I purchased. And it's from Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's his bestseller right now. And just talking about tips that he has for life. So in this blog article, I wrote about how to achieve your reading goals in 2024. And I talk about my love for reading and writing. And then I talk about setting my goal to read one book every 2 weeks, or 26 books in a year. And I started to make a list, but it's got about 5 or 6 books. But each time I have a chance, I go and look at book reviews. I go into the bookstore, listen to friends and family about recommendations they're making for the best books that they've read. And I want to cross different genres. I don't want it to be just nonfiction, which I do enjoy, or biographies. I want to read different types of books. And then I have to learn some skills, because I'm going to have to read a little bit faster this year. So like skimming, scanning, summarizing, annotating, and reviewing. And I talk about those skills here in today's blog, as well as where I get the books from, different lists and different websites to review books, how I track and celebrate my progress. Just tracking, in my, I have a spreadsheet with all my tasks in it, and I've shared that on other blogs. But just putting in some time first thing in the day, just before bed, to read, and to read about 20 pages a day. Most books are around 250 pages. So if I do 14 days at 20, that's 280. So that's perfect. Then I talk about how I think I'm going to achieve my goals this year, and then write the conclusion. So if you're interested in this blog article, you can go to the link in the show notes here and read my blog. You can follow me and sign up for my email newsletters. This is all through my consulting company called True North. And I started that consulting company originally to help other health professionals like chiropractors with their career and their business. Then kind of branched out because I realized I had some other things to offer, like my experience running marathons, like the weight loss that I achieved in 2021, and what I found that finally worked for me after struggling for a long time. Or like writing books. I just wrote my 5th book called Joint Journey on Amazon. So just wanted to share some of these skills with aspiring writers, people who have a marathon on their bucket list, people who want to lose weight and get in better shape and be healthier. So, and of course, health professionals and chiropractors, where I have the most experience, 30 years now of practice experience. So please follow me on social media at True North PM. And then you can also go to my blog post and follow me there on the website, trueexpert.pro. And I look forward to talking to you guys soon.